Hi children, I am Lali teacher. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Easy Learning. Today we discuss about CBSC 10th Maths. Discuss about 4-mark questions. First question. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 7 by 8 hours. The tap with the longer diameter take 2 hours less than the tap with the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which tap can fill the tank separately. First, whatever may be the question, take as x. Then let time taken be the time taken by smaller tap. Is equal to x hours. So, time taken by larger tap is equal to x minus 2 hours. Diameter increases, time taken decreases. It is an inverse proportion. Smaller tap take more time. Larger tap take less time. Then time taken by both taps together. Time taken by both taps together is equal to 7 by 8 hours. That is equal to 15 by 8 hours. That is 1 by, take the reciprocals of time. 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 2. 1 by x minus 2 is equal to reciprocal of 15 by 8 is equal to 8 by 15. Then solve the problem. 1 into x minus 2 plus 1 into x divided by x into x minus 2 is equal to 8 by 15. X plus x, 2x minus 2 divided by x into x square minus 2x is equal to 8 by 15. 8 into x square minus 2x is equal to 15 into 2x minus 2. 8x square minus 16x is equal to 30x minus 30. 8x square minus 16x minus 30x plus 30 is equal to 0. 8x square minus 16x minus 30x is equal to minus 46x plus 30 is equal to 0. All divided by 2. 4x square minus 23x plus 15 is equal to 0. We use splitting method. You can also use quadratic formula. Here we use splitting method. That is AB is equal to 4 into 15 is equal to 60. A plus B is equal to minus 23. 1 into 60 is equal to 60. 1 plus 60 or 1 minus 60 is not equal to minus 23. 2 into 30 is equal to 60. 2 plus 30 or 2 minus 30 is not equal to minus 23. 3 into 20 is equal to 60. 3 plus 20 is equal to 23. Minus 3 plus minus 20 is equal to minus 23. Minus 3 into minus 20 is equal to plus 60. So we split minus 23x as 4x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. 4x into x minus 5 minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15. Okay. 4x minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 4. Not possible. This possible alla. Not possible. X is equal to 5. Okay. Time taken by smaller tab. X is equal to 5. Time taken by larger tab is equal to x minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 hours. 5 hours. Okay. Our next question. An aeroplane is flying at a height of 300 meter above the ground. Flying at this height, the angle of depression from the aeroplane of 2 points on both the banks of a river in opposite direction are 45 and 60 degree respectively. Find the width of the river. Here it is the ground. It is the ground. Banks of a river. Sorry, it is the river. Aeroplane at 300 meter above from the ground. Angle of depressions are 45 and 60 respectively. Angle of depression 45 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. A, B, C, D. We find AD, BD is equal to, BD is the width of the river, DD is the width of the river. So BD is equal to question mark. Okay. First we consider the triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. Angle D is equal to, angle A is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, AC is equal to CD is equal to 300 meter. In triangle, write triangle ABC. ABC. Tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is AC by BC. AC by BC. Tan 60 means root 3. Root 3 is equal to 300 by BC. BC root 3 is equal to 300. BC is equal to 300 by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 300 root 3 by 3 is equal to 100 root 3. Okay. BC is equal to 100 root 3 and CD is equal to 300. Width of the river is equal to BD is equal to BD is equal to BC plus CD is equal to BC. BC is equal to 100 root 3. 100 root 3 plus 300. Here root 3 is equal to, use root 3 is equal to 1.732 given. 100 into 1.732 plus 300 is equal to 173.2 plus 300 is equal to 0.2 473.2 meter is equal to 473.2 meter. Okay. Next question. If the median of the following distribution is 32.5, find the value of F1 and F2. First we write the table again. Class, frequency, cumulative frequency, ten to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 60 to 70. Okay. F1 5, 9, 12, F2 3, 2. Total is equal to 40. Cumulative frequency F1 5 plus F1 9, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus F1 14 plus 12 26, 26 plus F1 26 plus F1 plus F2 26 plus 3 29, 29 plus F1 plus F2 29 plus 2 31, 31 plus F1 plus F2. Okay. Here median is equal to 32 point, median is equal to 32.5. So median class is 32.5. Median class is equal to, this is the median class. 30 to 40 is the median class. 30 to 40 is the median class. Then our formula. Median is equal to n by 2, L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay. Here median is equal to 32.5, L is equal to 30, L is equal to 30, n by 2 is equal to total is equal to 40, 40 by 2 is equal to 20. CF, cumulative frequency, is equal to, this is cumulative frequency, CF, this is F. CF is equal to 14 plus F1, F is equal to 12, H is equal to 40 minus 30, 10. Okay. Substitute the values. 30 plus 20 minus cumulative frequency, 14 plus F1, 14 plus F1 divided by F 12 into H 10 is equal to 32.5. Next, 20 minus 14 minus F1 divided by 12 into 10 is equal to 32.5 minus 30. 20 minus 14, 6 minus F1 into 10 divided by 12 is equal to 2.5. 60 minus 10 F1 is equal to 12 into 2.5. 2.5 into 12. 330. 60 minus 30 is equal to 10 F1. F1 is equal to 30 by 10 is equal to 3. Then find F2. 31 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 31 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 40. 31 plus 3 plus F2 is equal to 40. F2 is equal to 40 minus 34. F2 is equal to 6. Okay. Next question. The sum of four consecutive terms of an AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and the last term to the product of the two middle term is 7:15. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Okay. Whenever you asked to take four numbers which are in AP, we must take the terms are. Let the terms are. A minus 2D, A minus 3D, A minus 3D, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Then sum of these four terms is equal to 32. A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 32. Minus 3D plus 3D cancel, minus D plus D cancel, A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 4A, 4A is equal to 32, A is equal to 32 by 4 is equal to 8. Then sum of the four constituents is in AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and last, A minus 3D into A plus 3D, product of first and last to the product of middle, A minus D into A plus D is equal to 7:15, 7 by 15. Okay. A minus 3D into A plus 3D is equal to A square minus 3D square. A plus B into A minus B is equal to identity use identity used is equal to A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. This identity is used here. A square minus 3D square divided by A square minus D square is equal to 7 by 15. A is equal to 8 square minus 3D square divided by 8 square minus D square is equal to 7 by 15. 8 square is equal to 64. 64 minus 3 square of 3 is equal to 9. 9 D square divided by 64 minus D square is equal to 7 by 15. 15 into 64 minus 9d square is equal to 7 into 64 minus d square. 15 into 64. Nine sixty minus 135 d square is equal to 448 minus 7d square. 960 minus 448 is equal to minus 7d square plus 135d square. 960 minus 448 is equal to 512. 10 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 10 minus 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 9 minus 4, is equal to minus 70 plus 135d is equal to 128d square. D square is equal to 512 divided by 128. 8 into 4, 12. 8 into 4, 12. 128 into 4, 12. 12 balance 1, 4. 128 balance 1 512. Okay, is equal to d square is equal to 4. D is equal to plus or minus root 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. D is equal to plus or minus 2. A is equal to 8. D is equal to plus or minus 2. Then terms. If D is equal to 2. First term a minus t1 is equal to a minus 3d is equal to a minus a means 8 8 minus 3 into 2 is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. T2 is equal to a minus d. T2 is equal to a minus d is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. T3 is equal to a plus d is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. T4 is equal to a plus 3d is equal to 8 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. For terms 2, 6, 10, 14. If D is equal to minus 2, terms T1 is equal to a minus 3d is equal to 8 minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. T2 is equal to a minus d is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. T3 is equal to a plus d is equal to 8 plus minus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. T4 is equal to a a plus 3d is equal to 8 plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, terms 14, 10, 6, 2. Okay.